Right then, Joan Allen event. We've had our briefing and we're starting to roll. Enjoy. See you at the first hole. Didn't know I was a poet, did you? A little one. Yeah, little button. .40 quite shallow. Is that it on the surface? Is that it? Certainly looks like it. Might be wrong. Yeah, it's definitely it. So is that the first coin of the day for me? Bit rugged. Just sitting on the surface. Well, I'm going to go with a coin. $13 to $15. See if it's a bit of crap like last time. That's a thimble by the looks of that. Bit of a thimble. Yeah, bit of a thimble. Very nice. I'll see if I can find the other half. But yeah, got a thimble. I'll leave that mud on there to stop it from breaking. No, let's go for a ring pull. Oh dear. I wasn't expecting that. Well, is it a coin or is it a button? It was a 44 and it's a button. Oh well. Button fest. 31 I think that was. 34. What is that? Pin of some sort. Don't know. Is it a watch winder? I haven't got a clue. Answers on a postcard. So I certainly don't know. Hole. I believe I've got another thimble. Yep, another thimble. This time it's a full one. Happy days. Oh, that's a nice one. No, I won't attempt that one. But yeah, another thimble. $72 to $75. $75, $76. Now it's dropped to 57. Now the hole's open. No, it's out. What is it? Oh, what's that? Oh, very nice. It's a button. That is a very nice pattern. Let's have a spray. What's this? Oh wow. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice indeed. late 60s, early 70s. Oh dear, risen right the way up to the 90s now. $88.90. Let's have a look. And we got a buckle. Nice one. Yeah, got a buckle. Not too sure if that's a token or something similar. It looks like it's got a lettering on there, so let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, it's got some lettering on there. Don't know if that's an N or a W. Yeah, it looks like a W. WE maybe. Yeah, looks like a little token. Bit of lead. 26.27. Oh, I've got another thimble. 3 thimbles. Three thimbles for today so far. Pop the hole open and I've got a disc come out. Hopefully it's going to be a bloody coin. But yeah, that's the hole. And over there, look, just flown out. And it's not. It's a bloody button. Look at the size of that. Oh, dearie me. That's huge. Let's give it a little spray because there's some, I don't know if that's a pattern on there or some colouring. Yeah, I won't rub that too much. Now that is what you call a button. Just to give you a look at the size of that. Just to give you a sample of the size compared to the other ones. Wow. It's got a little bit of gold around the outside as well by the looks of it. Hey, we've got a coin. I think it's a coin anyway. Anyway, out of there. Just there. Is it a coin? Or is it? Oh, no, it's not. It's a shotgun enter. Oh, dearie me. Fooled. 60.61, not moving. Now, Keith this morning got a hammered coin which was 60.61. So it is round. Is it a button or is it a coin? It's a coin and it's a ship halfpenny. 1955. 1955 ship halfpenny. There you go, Queen Elizabeth II. Not too sure what this is. I don't know if it's one of the tokens or whether it's a Japanese coin or whatever. I haven't got a clue, but Someone's mentioned something about the soak in this field as well that are worth prizes, anything from t-shirts up to £5 of food. So I'm going to go to the counter and have a look, see what that one comes up as. No, not sure whether it's a coin or whether it's a button. It's a coin. It's a coin of some sort. I think my microphone's going to die. That's my fault. This was coming up as 7071. It's another Queen Elizabeth. A Queen Elizabeth penny, and the date on this one is 1967, a year before I was born. There you go. 1967, 1 penny.